All right, pack opening number 8, 2025-26 Upper Deck MVP hockey. A lot of hockey coming up through this Flip Life. February 1st, big book release coming up. The Hockey Gods Are Real, so I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys are going to love it. And so, to please the hockey gods, I'll be ripping lots of hockey starting right now. Let's go. Let's rip. Whoa. LA Kings mascot sticker. That's cool. Bailey. Let's go. Cool card alert. Right on.